opposite. When you're walking up to your car, you're like, fuck, that looks good. Even though it's just a daily, but it's sitting exactly the way I want it to sit. So I'm pretty pumped with that. Today's going to be cool. I'm on the way to a top secret location with Travis Roberts, who you will have seen in a few previous videos. Something pretty special. He's about to launch a brand new channel and I'm a part of it. There's a few other people that are a part of it, and it's going to be basically a content garage kind of concept. Yeah, there's a lot of resources and a lot of time's been poured into this, so it's actually going to be really, really cool. And it's on the same location as the rally track that we built in the previous videos. So if you're new here, I'm Shannon. We do dumb shit, and then we made a track, and then we do more dumb shit on that track. So I'm pretty pumped for this. On boost, here we go. So I'm pretty pumped for this content location, literally right beside our track. So the content coming from this is going to be absolutely mental. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So at the moment, it's just a giant working bee. We've got a few people there helping us put it together. It's going to be unreal. So I'm nearly there, and I will have to show you how far we've come, and we'll chat to Trav and he can explain a little bit more of the direction we're going to. But you definitely don't want to miss this. It is going to be probably one of the biggest and best channels in Oz. Like, there's so much cool content coming, so many cool projects coming out of this plan. Like, yeah, you don't want to miss this. So anyway, let's get there. I'll pick this up, and I'll pick this up when we get there, and I'll show you what we're up to. All right, we're here at a top secret, ultra secret location that secretly no one knows where it is. Trav Roberts, please explain the top secret, ultra secret location.
Well, it's secret. I can't explain it.
What do you mean?
Well, it's ultra secret, top secret location. I can't even explain it because I'm not even allowed to know. Okay, seriously, we're building a shed here. Well, it's a container dome. We're containing a container dome. We're putting an enclosure, big roller door, 5 meter roller door right here.
Frosty's already up there. He's slaving away.
Frosty's doing a great job. We've got 2 hoists going in the back of the belly lift. We're going to have a time machine. It's just going to be a place that we can shoot and film content, work on cars, get some projects that we obviously have at home out here and not have a lot of dead cars around. So it's more.
It's going to be a whole new channel. So this is.
It is, yeah. Yep.
This is up and coming, and it wouldn't be official if we're going to do car shit in Queensland. It wouldn't be official without Cheech here, and Cheech just came to lend a hand. Here he is. There's no more Archie, so his time's a little bit more vacant. So we've stolen him.
Yeah. All good.
He's found another track to go to. So
yeah.
We've got
I got my foot in the door.
He's got his foot in the door. It's going to be pretty good.
Yeah, we've got to, like, obviously this is right near that. And that is our racetrack. So that's going to be great. We're going to be able to just go out there and have some fun when we want to.
And we're going to make in here look really, really nice with floors, lighting.
Yeah, it is. It's going to be polished floors. We're going to have some really nice lighting above it. Don't let the dome confuse you. It's going to be mega.
Yeah. There's going to be, are we going to put another shed door here, like that one?
Yes.
So we're going to do another one of those doors there.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we want to obviously utilise the whole container, the 40-footer. So having that, obviously, that enclosure there enables us to do fabrication and welding, keep everything, like all the sparks and welding shit and everything like that in one corner. Maybe the time machine as well in one of the corners as well.
And then we're going to get rid of this. For the people that don't know what that is, I'll put in some footage. That's what we've named the Logan hoist, because with a forklift, you just rest a car on it. And it's seen a bit of action, but we're not going to let it see any more. It's going in the bin.
It's also a drinks holder, as you can see up there.
Yeah, there's no beers, but we're being...
That's how we used to do all, like, when Dad had the dismantling yard and all the parts. You know, we drained... Obviously, you had to, for environmental laws, you have to drain all the oils and fuels. And that was just the easiest, best, safest way. Instead of having a hoist that goes up and down, you just get the fork, drop it on. It's two solid concrete blocks. The cars are going anywhere.
But this is going to be way fancy. We're definitely taking that out. It is good,
100%.
but we're taking it out.
No, 100%. Well, that idea will just go straight down the back for our derby cars. And not derby cars, but rally cars.
And it's going to be enclosed. There's a massive garage door on the floor, which is what Frosty is getting ready to throw up there.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit keen for a door.
I'm
this
keen for
is-
a door. That's a big door.
That's a big door.
It's a big door.
Where do you
And,
even find a big door like that? Are we giving him a shout out because he did hook us up?
Yeah, Paulie at Home Sheds.
Yep.
Lives around the corner from me. Legend guy. Yeah,
This is going to be unreal when it's all done. And then when it is done, the content coming out of here and the projects that Trav has sorted are next level. So you're definitely going to want to, I don't even know if I can put a link to the new channel yet, but we'll keep you posted.
We will.
We will keep you posted. There's a lot coming. Frosty's even going to be involved.
Someone's got to weld stuff, mate.
Yeah, see, look, he's so excited. You can see the enthusiasm coming out of his face.
He's pumped. He's pumped on the project.
That's just a vertigo, mate.
All right, let's do it. New channel coming soon. And then my favorite part of this whole new compound is right behind me. Come and check this out. Brand new little office. So we're gonna be able to edit all of the videos in here. There's aircon. It's actually really well lit. I'll turn the light on. So this is going to be perfect. Little fridge. I need to get like a little casting lounge in that corner, I reckon. But we're going to be able to easily set up. We've got Starlink internet. So we're going to be able to have a nice little editing office right here, right outside of where all the filming and all the goodness and all the projects are going to happen. So it's actually going to be, it's going to be sick. Everything we're filming here is going to be next level. The projects are unreal. There's about 2 years worth of them banked up for all of this filming. So you do not want to miss this. The new channel, as soon as we can announce it, I will announce it, but definitely subscribe to this channel for updates and we'll keep you posted on the rest of it.